3, 2, 1. Ah! What is up, everyone? Today we've got Skittles, Prime, Ghost, these, this. We are eating all this sour stuff to see who's the biggest bum. But yeah, that's today's video. Gonna be a jolly good one. Grand. All right. Time to crack open these bad boys. So yeah, we're just gonna see who gives up first.
This is an ASMR, bro.
That's also a suffering. Alright, what are we starting with? Are we filling warheads? Just start off with a bang?
Bro, this is so...
Yeah, guys, we got an entire pack. And to help 1,000,000 degrees in this car, this bum is always cold. Oh, I just dropped it. 2 each to start?
2 each.
And then you wash it down with some good old Ghost. Also, guys, if you haven't already, we just dropped episode number 1 of Stupidly Smart, our first podcast. Everyone go show some love on that. We'll be dropping those quite frequently. What are you doing? Ooh, I about just ate it. Are you gonna open them?
Oh, alright.
At the same time.
Okay.
Why did I just do that? It was just a casual.
Okay, I'm ready. Okay.
And you gotta wash it down with this. Hey, there's not an approximate amount, just a nice swig. Okay, ready? Set. Go. Oh, green apple. Also, guys, first one we got normal drinks. First to drink those losers. Keep drinking, bud. Yum. I'm chewing it. I'm getting it down. So it's not bad. Done. That's 1 point for me. We're doing this off point. 1 point for me. And each level, we're leveling it up more and more. So we might as well open this spray. Excuse you.
Oh, that was not good.
Okay, we're gonna do both of these sprays. And another warhead. And 3 Skittles. Alright, another warhead. Each. And then 3 Skittles.
Extreme sour. Oh, I got the lemon. You wanna trade?
We'll do 2 Skittles, actually. Nah, we'll do 3. No one heard that.
Oh, I'm not interested in this yellow one.
Alrighty. Who's gonna be squirting in mouth first? How many squirts should we do?
Oh my gosh.
Guys, comment how many squirts. Just kidding.
4.
Okay, 4 of each.
Wait,
And then you do 4 of each for me. Okay, put it in your mouth, and then I'm gonna squirt.
Oh, I'm not ready for this.
Okay, go. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I did 5. Oh, and then wash it down. Yo. I did 5. No reaction. I just blew it like it was gonna make the lid snapper. Light work, no reaction?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going. Alright, ready? Ready, everyone?
We're shooting bottles.
Okay, ready? Bro, I'm scared you're gonna squirt in my eye. Guys, I'm sorry if your mom is with you. It's not what it looks like. Maybe.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because you did 5 to me.
Oh, that's easy.
I was getting nervous about the lemon one, but heartburn's gonna be insane.
That's easy. Guys, it's too easy. Alright. How are we gonna step it up again? You know what? Let's just do like a lot of squirting. Alright. We'll do 30. Jeez. Everyone drop a like for this. This stuff may not seem that bad. I don't know if you had it when you were little, but you did like 4.
Hold on.
50,000 likes will put it in his eye. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Is that bad? Is it really that bad? Alright, I got it.
Hold on. It's on my door.
Oh my gosh.
No, don't
Guys, pan over to this man's saliva. Got him lacking.
Oh, my heart. Oh, heartburn already.
Okay.
My turn. Oh, that made it worse.
Guys, please share this, because man, like we want to keep doing it, but shoot, it ain't easy out here. Alright.
I'm gonna cry.
Dude, my eyes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Yeah, it gets you. It gets you.
Ah!
It gets
Oh, it
you.
like rested on my tongue. It was so bad.
I know. It gets you.
Okay. For the grand finale, to decide the winner of this challenge, drop a like for this, guys.
Okay, there we go. Oh, hijo de la chingada, mana.
For the grand finale, we're doing 5 warheads. Whoever finishes them first wins. And this drink. You have to drink this entire drink and 5 warheads. Guys, please drop a like for our intestines. Oh, I only have 3. Give me 1. Okay. Excuse me.
That's weak.
Ooh, I'm about to took a swig. Let's do 3 of these too. I want to win. I want you to suffer.
Oh, okay, you can win.
Feel the wrath of daddy. Who else is doing this? Like, other cringe YouTubers are like, oh, one warhead? So bad, oh no. 4 with sour Skittles and a sour drink and nothing to wash it down? Crazy. Sour candy honestly isn't that bad, but like this much? Might die. Alright, ready?
No. I'm scared.
Before we do this, everyone right now, I don't care what you're doing, hit that subscribe, drop a like.
I want to cry.
Post this on your story, honestly, because this is brutal. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Ah!
The burp is gonna be crazy.
I need to throw up.
Flashback to the Oreo video when I about threw up. No, I did throw up, but we cut. So we're just gonna say I about threw up.
No.
20 minutes of burping. I win. Feel that.
I still got some.
I win. Bro, I literally drink it all. I drank all that will fit.
So what are we? 1-1?
No, I...
Because I won the Oreo and you...
Oh, yeah. In, like, challenges, yeah, 1-1. I think we both lost this one, though. Shoot, I mean, digestive system is gone.
Yeah, I'm going to feel it tonight.
I am, too. But that is it. Everyone, let us know your suggestions and what we should do next.
Give us some ideas, please.
Drop them down below.
We're running out.
Yeah, and we'll probably do them, honestly. I mean, like, no limits. If we have the money, we'll do it. And the time.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Yeah, so let us know.
Mostly the time.
Yeah.
Money's not a problem.
Money is a problem. Anyways, drop a like,
subscribe to our channel.
The link.
Podcast. Pat?
Just search up. Stupidly Smart
on Spotify.
But until next time.
But we will have a link to it. So therefore you won't have to have
All right, that's
the
enough.
trouble
Goodbye, guys.
of searching it.